Baboy? You don't have boyfriend, girlfriend. Pag sure na baboy.
No, he had boyfriend. He had two of them actually.
Ala, duha. Ala, ang baboy.
Chinese guy.
The Chinese guy. Ala, ang baboy. Kurata sa baboy. Ay, ang Chinese pang uyab. The Chinese one?
Yes, Chinese.
Oh my God. Chinese foreigner ang uyab sa baboy. Mohon. Himohon dyan.
He's smiling about it.
Ala, she's smiling. Ala.
Girlfriend is boyfriend.
Ala, it's not girlfriend, it's boyfriend.
Ala ba, Borge?
Ala, ka ba, Borge?
So, sige, bitang mo kuban ato ni kuan. Kabantay ko, day.
Tumputi on?
Oo, kabantay ko. Na, am I right now?
What?
He's always with the Chinese guy.
Yes.
I think the Chinese guy like him.
They're always having lunch dates. They're always, yeah, Darvin sits in front of him and they're always eating together.
Eating what?
Their food? Yeah, at lunch.
Maybe they're talking about ML.
Ala, ka, Borge. Kurata ni mo, Borge. Alam mo,
100%
tayo na, Borge.
are.
Simukan dyan kang balot dito. Kurata si Baborge. Ay, kilig-kilig pa siya, te. Kilig-kilig pa si Baborge.
Sa po istoryahan niyo ba, Borge?
Or,
Nga di makato kabalo mo kuang. Mabisaya. Di ba siya kabalo mo Bisaya? Ah, di siya kabalo mo Tagalog.
no, just Chinese and English. He
Okay.
learned off of Roblox somehow. Someone on Roblox taught him.
What language? The English?
Yes, his main language is Chinese.
He always speaks in Chinese.
No.
Lagi to siya madok mo sa kay tricycle derby. Di makato siya
His
kabalo
main-
mo Bisaya.
His main is Chinese, but he's speaking English, so other people can understand him. There's some
Siya
other.
na lagi mo sa kay upuan, tricycle.
There's also some other Chinese kids there too.
Ali na siya mo kuang. Uli.
What?